Okay, so this is a tutorial on working in Blogger. And what we've just done is create a new Blogger blog, and we got a fantastic domain name, santafespirit.com, and you can get custom domain names with Blogger, which means you have a website for $10 a year. And so we have a beautiful website forming here. And we created some pages that need to be populated with content. And we did that by going into the posting area of Blogger. And then there was a little link that said edit pages. And we created new pages. And each of those pages are blank. They need text and images. So we're going to start going into the back end. So what we've done is we've gone to the front end, which is the public area of the blog. And now we're going to go and click. In order to get into the back end area, we're not actually going to do a new post right now. We could by clicking on new post, but we're just going to let this get us into the back end by clicking on new post. Now we're looking at a place where we could make a new post, and this would be a good place to make a new post, the only place. But we're going to go into the pages because we haven't edited those pages yet. So here we have all the pages on the site. So let's say on on Contact Mariah we wanted a photograph of Mariah. We could click on Edit, and then I would put the photograph on the right hand side. And this is a good trick to know. Whenever you put a photograph anywhere, you always click on the left. And then you click on the Insert Image icon. And then you can choose files to upload by clicking on the Choose Files. And then find an image on your website that would be appropriate for that. And select it. And then choose Open. And I'm going to say Add Selected. So now that image is just floating there. And I want it to go to the right. See where it says left, center, right? I'm going to make it go to the right. So now we have a beautiful image on the Contact Mariah page. And we're just going to you can hit Save as Draft if you want. You can click on Preview to see what it will look like when you're done. Or you can just publish it. We're just going to publish it. And now we're going to I'm going to click on View Blog, but I'm going to hold my Command key down on my Mac so that it opens in a new window here. I can go back and forth. And since we just got a new domain name, we're going to click on the long link so that we can see it. And we're going to go to Contact Mariah. And so now you have a nice image on Contact Mariah. And now let's do a little work on the other pages. So we'll go back here to Edit Pages, sorry. And now here, Health Spirit Consulting. We could click Edit, and you would put the text in here that you want to describe your Health Spirit Consulting. And you would probably have an image of something here, something meaningful to you. And once again, you would put your cursor on the left, you would click on the image icon, you would choose the file, you would grab the image off your hard drive, choose Open, and we're not going to do this right now because we've already done it. I'm going to hit Cancel, but we would, if we wanted to add that image, we would click on Add Selected. Well, let's do it, and then we'll get rid of it because just to double check. So I'm going to click on that image, and I'm going to say, I want it larger, I want it the original size, I want it small, I want a caption. I want it floating to the right, or I want to remove it, which is what I'm going to do right now, is remove it. So really, this is all there is. You're going to be putting text in here. You'll be making it bold and italic. You can change the sizing of the text to like large. So it's not super advanced editor, but it's plenty. And then you choose Publish Page. So now we'll go to the website. And you can just start, you can see that the text got bigger for that, but there's nothing, so that's all we've changed. So that's what you do. You go through to edit the pages just the way we did, just the way we took these steps. And then you'll have all these pages just like a real website. So that's it for editing pages with Blogger.